All right, here we go, guys. So this is example number 4, where the previous ones were ratios and we were using equivalent ratios to help us solve the problem. This one is going to require us to use unit rate. And let's take a look at it and how it's a little bit different. So the question says the Millers drove 105 miles on 4 gallons of gas. At this rate, how many miles can they drive on 6 gallons of gas? So I'm kind of back in my comfort zone of identifying what are we comparing. We're comparing miles to gallons. What do they tell us? They tell us that they drove 105 miles on 4 gallons of gas. And what are they asking us? They want to know how far can they go on 6 gallons of gas. So here we can see pretty quickly that we know that there is not a super awesome way of turning a 4 into a 6. So what I'm going to go and do is rely on my unit rate. So I know that I can go 105 miles on 4 gallons of gas. So I can determine a unit rate by using a 1 here. I can turn any number into a 1. That's why unit rate is so powerful. And then I'm going to use that unit rate and turn that into a 6. So here I'm looking for my path. How do I turn a 1 into a 4? I'm going to divide that by 4, which means that I'm going to go ahead and divide 105 by 4. Here's a good time to pull out that calculator where it's 105 divided by 4. And what my calculator tells me is that that is 26.25 miles per gallon that they're able to travel. So from here, yes, it's okay to have a decimal in your ratio or your unit rate. How am I going to turn a 1 into a 6? I'm going to times that by 6, which means I'm going to take that 26.25 and also times that by 6. Again, it's a good time to get out your calculator to do those calculations for you. So when I take 26.25 and I times it by 6, I get 157.5. So here I used my unit rate to answer the question. So I know that the Millers are going to be able to go 157.5 miles on 6 gallons of gas. All right, using unit rate. Thank you.